Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day. Today we go back to black. That was a lot easier, look. Look, paint still looks great.
How satisfying is that?
I kind of like it, yeah. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of miss the black. I think with this new setup, it just works better. Paint looks freaking just as good as it was before.
It's pretty damn satisfying, actually. You see that guy slowing down like a...
What the hell?
The fuck are they doing? Here. See, it's kind of thin, so it's a little harder. You got to be a little more gentle with it, otherwise it tears like that. If this had been a thicker layer, I would have already had it off by now. But you live and you learn. This is Marty's first time spraying the car, so first spraying any car, I guess I should say. So live and you learn.
All right, guys. So for the most part, everything's off. Still need to clean up. It's just too hot right now. Way too hot. So we're gonna put the car back in the garage here and just finish it up a little later. But for the most part, car's back to black. Little bits and pieces here and there. And I see my first issue with the dip. It did this to my scoops, which it is partially, I bet it's my fault, because I painted those myself and the paint came out good, but I just did it with stuff I could buy. I think I bought it all at Pep Boys, the automotive paint, and I guess it looks like it ate through the clear. So I'm gonna pull them off and see if it buffs out, If not, I'm gonna just have my painter paint them. I'm gonna take that diffuser anyways to get it painted, so there it is. It's not that big of a deal. Other than that, the paint looks great. It needs to be washed and shit like that, but
The code for this video is Back in Black.
I'm real happy with it. So would I recommend Plastidip? Hell yeah. I'd do that shit again in a second. Right now, I'm gonna hold off, enjoy the black again. Maybe next year I'll do a different color. And I'll let you guys pick a color. I don't know. But I really like this new setup. And I think to me it just goes better with the black.